Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. In the Cincinnati U-Pull and Pay, we got a bird tone. You know, people like those bird tone patches. I have to take that, see what else is on it. It has a really good headlight over here on the driver's side. It is turbo. Well, kids, that's all I got time for. Got to go. Yeah, I got this wire harness pieces. Hopefully that'll be enough to get my daughter some power to that passenger seat. Let's go check it out. S70 here. Decent seats. Really are decent. He also has decent roof trim going across the top. I'm going to go outside real quick, check my daughter's. If hers are still trashed out, I might come grab these real quick. But I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to get out of here. I'm here with Little Red. We got a few issues. One, seatbelt getting stuck, not coming out. Going to replace that. Going to put some power to the passenger seat. This car has the jewels. And as you can see, the reflector up there in the middle has fallen down here. So I need to re-secure that before it scratches up the reflector in there and destroys the light. I think I got a rear shock, upper support mount gone, and the antenna is busted. So let me empty out this trunk, get started with the antenna, check the power on this seat situation. I think I'm gonna slave the passenger seat off the driver's. Shouldn't have any issues as long as they're not run together. For some reason, that car just did not have the wiring under the passenger seat. I thought it was pre-wired, but it's not. With no power on the car, this driver's seat works. The passenger seat usually doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and just daisy off of this connector here, because this is the one that runs the power. I got 12 volts live all the time here, and I guess when I activate the different motors, I get power through there. Let me check that real quick with my voltmeter set to DC. Connector in down there, run the wire under the center console there, through the access hole up to here. I'm going to tap the power line on with my little connector here, whatever these things are called, and see if the seat operates without those other two wires, and I'm going to ground it. So let's see what happens. Alright, I hooked all 3 wires up, and I grounded the black one there, and it works when I turn the key on. But when the key's off, it doesn't work. Only the driver's seat does. So that's kind of strange. Put your airbag safety latch in when you're working on these seats. Connect the battery before you unplug it. Carefully take this out so you don't break it. These are hard to find. Put the seatbelt back through there properly. Latch it in place. Reattach it. This fell in here, but it did. Gotta make sure you get it snapped in there good. And try not to touch anything in there because you'll mess it up. Wipers. You can remove these wiper rests. It's just a T25 down there. Since the other one has it, I'm going to leave it on there so they match. I triggered a check engine light on my daughter's car. Hooking up the scan gauge. I think it's the sensor right behind the passenger side headlight. I made a mistake and unplugged it, didn't plug it back in. As you can see, it's a 108 code. I'm going to go ahead and clear it and show you where that sensor is. The code is now cleared. Let me go show you where the sensor is. These P80 cars have them, some don't. this pink plug right there plugs into the sensor that bolts onto the fender. I unplug that. If that sensor is bad, you'll get the P0108. In the back of my daughter's car. This happened on the other side. Now it's happened on this side. This bolt is loose. I thought the whole mount was bad, but it's just a loose bolt. So I'm gonna get my tool, tighten that up. She should be good to go. Use my special tool, tighten that up. She should be good to go. 4 car involved. Get over, man. Get over 375,000 miles. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.